Hello everyone, welcome to video number 24 of our series AutoCAD tutorial for beginners on being civil. In this video we will learn how to use the break command. We will learn all possible ways to use the break command. Break command is used to cut objects into two parts, or you can erase some portion of an object. So in this video we will learn how to use break command on a line. So to use break command you have to write down BR or break in the command line, or you can go to from modify toolbar, click on modify and click on break. So let's write down BR and press enter. AutoCAD will ask you to select the objects. After selection, AutoCAD will ask to specify the second breakpoint. If you specify the second breakpoint, the portion between the first selection point and the second breakpoint will be erased off. So here the selection point is treated as the first breakpoint. If you want to specify the first breakpoint, then you have to, after selecting the object, you have to specify the first breakpoint by F enter. So specify the first breakpoint and specify the second breakpoint. That's all. Now instead of erasing some portion of a line, if you want to break the line into two parts, then what to do? Write down BR, press enter, select the object. Instead of specify the second breakpoint, just write down @ and press enter. Here you can see the object, the line is broken into two parts. Here the selection point is treated as the breakpoint. Now if you want to specify the breakpoint, then you have to just BR enter, select the object, if enter for specify the first breakpoint, and instead of specify the second breakpoint, just write down @ enter. The line is broken into two parts. So that's all. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. See you in the next video.